Okay, this is B4. It's under construction. October 1st move-in. Just wanted to show you the layout. Huge living room space. Really large. This is like a dining room space off of the living room. The kitchen is gonna be here. So you see it's gonna be all new cabinetry. Brand new. This is the dining room. Right off of the living room. First of the bedrooms. This is the biggest bedroom. Each bedroom has its closet, a linen closet, and there's this bedroom, also big, and then this one has an ensuite. So the October 1st move-in. Text me 267-269-9086.